how to remove fake followers on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile. Now tap on your follower list above. Here, you can see all your followers on Instagram. Open the profile you want to remove from here. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Block. Tap on Block again to confirm. Once you block them, they won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. They won't even be notified that you blocked them. If you want to unblock them, then tap on the Unblock button as shown in here. Then, tap on Unblock to confirm. They will now be able to see your posts, follow, and message you on Threads and Instagram. You have now removed them as your follower on Instagram. You can also restrict them to hide their comments and messages without blocking them completely. Following these steps, you can easily remove fake followers on Instagram.